Alright guys, it's just Rose and cameras here. Yes, it's a different type of vlog today. We're going up to see somebody very soon. Two people. We've just got
Lucky.
over here. And yeah, we'll be setting off in a little while. So we shall see you in a bit.
Bye.
Alright guys, we are now in a different location. We've got Lurkio doing his Lurkio dance in Warrington. And we've got Manny. We've got Baz Burton.
Alright.
We're in Warrington, and I'm just going to show you Mrs. Burton in a minute. I've got Tess the pork pie knicker. There's Mrs. P just about to do her coffee morning.
Bit late.
Bit late, but hey ho. Obviously, this is not our house. We're in Warrington. We've got the missus here doing the washing up. Hey, it's Bella.
Are you on live?
No, not live. Say hello.
Hello.
There you go. See you in a bit. Well, we've just been out, and it lasted about 5 minutes because it was raining. Went out with a drone. Baz had his drone, I had my drone. I've got the Spark, he's got the Hubson. That's not turning around to do it Lurkio dance, and they're not even turning around, so they're just doing it for no reason at all. Yeah, he's got the Hubson X4 driver, I think it is. Device or something like that. Anyway, he's got Hubson. Top drone. Anyway, they're doing the Lurkio dance, so I better spin them round in a minute, so I'll see you in a bit.
No.
They're talking away, and I've got it on record, and I've got it all on video, so I know what they're saying. So that's them two. That one in there, that's Baz Burton. In there is Callum James,
A.K.A. Lurkio.
a.k.a. Lurkio. That there's Lemon Drizzle.
That's Tess.
That's Tess the dog, the pork pie knicker. That's Mrs. P. And that's Bella Burton on our laptop trying to teach Mrs. P how to do thumbnails. And it's not going well so far because she can't sign in.
No, I bloody can't.
Remember a password for Facebook.
She can't remember her password. Anyway, camera out. Anyway, yeah. I'll put the footage in for the Spark here. and that was that, and we'll see you when we get home.